Here's something nobody told me when I started doing UX design. The job has completely changed in the last 12 months. The designers who are winning right now aren't the ones who are best at Figma. They're the ones who figured out how to use AI to go from a brief to a working, deployable product in a single afternoon. In this video, I'm going to show you my complete AI design workflow for 2026. Every tool, every prompt, every step. Let's get into it. Before anything else, AI will replace designers. It's the opposite. So you can focus on the parts that require actual human judgment, strategy, user empathy, and the creative decisions that make a product feel right. Okay, here's the 4-phase workflow. Phase 1, briefing and research. Phase 1 is where most designers don't even think to use AI. The briefing and research phase. Before I touch a single design tool, I open Claude and I do a deep briefing session. Here's the prompt. This does 2 things. First, it forces you to actually think through the brief, because you have to answer Claude's questions out loud. Second, it gives you a research-backed foundation to start from, instead of jumping into Figma with a half-formed idea. I usually spend 15 minutes here. It saves me hours of rework later, because I'm not redesigning the whole thing after the first client review. Phase 2, wireframing. And I use Claude before I even open Figma. Instead of starting with blank frames, I ask Claude to generate the content hierarchy and page structure first. This gives me a text-based wireframe, basically a content map, before I draw on a single frame. Then I take that structure into Figma and build it out fast. The key principle here, let AI handle the structural design judgment, just the scaffolding. This phase alone cuts my wireframing time in half. Phase 3, high-fidelity design. And this is where things get interesting. I use 3 AI tools here, each for a different job. Tool 1, Galileo AI or UAzard. I paste in my wireframe description and it generates a polished UI starting point in seconds. Not final quality, but a first draft that I customize in Figma. It's like having a junior designer who gives you a starting point in 30 seconds instead of 2 hours. Tool 2, Claude for UX copy. Every button label, every error message, every onboarding tooltip. Microcopy is something designers almost always rush, and it shows. Good button copy can increase click-through by double digits. This prompt gives you 5 options so you can actually choose. Tool 3, Claude Vision for design feedback. Screenshot your design, drop it directly into Claude, and use this prompt. You'll get feedback that's genuinely useful, not just aesthetic opinions, but functional usability critiques. I do this before every client presentation, and it consistently catches at least 2 or 3 real issues I missed. Phase 4, handoff and documentation. And this is the phase designers hate most. Component specs, I describe what I built and ask Claude to format it as a developer handoff document with component name, visual properties, all states, default, hover, active, disabled, error, accessibility notes, and edge cases. What used to take me 30 minutes per component takes 3 minutes. For stakeholder presentations, instead of spending hours writing a design rationale, I use this prompt. What used to take me half a day now takes about 20 minutes, and stakeholders actually read it because it's written in plain business language, not design jargon. So, that's the full 4-phase AI design workflow. Phase 1, deep brief and user research with Claude. Phase 2, content hierarchy map, then build in Figma. Phase 3, Galileo for UI starting point, Claude for microcopy, Claude Vision for usability feedback. Phase 4, AI-generated specs and stakeholder rationale. The designers who thrive in 2026 aren't the ones who resist AI. They're the ones who use it to do in a day what used to take a week. Pick any one phase from this workflow and try it on your next project. Then let me know in the comments which part made the biggest difference, and subscribe. I'm dropping more practical AI design content every week.